Hello everyone and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw Sonic the Hedgehog. So let's start. The first step is to make the eyes. Go from one point, going up and down, and repeat the same shape to the other eye. Then the mouth. Nose, make the eyes with two circles, you can make two lines for the head. Let's draw one ear. In a triangular shape. A line to complete the head, and continue to one spike. Small line in the middle of the eyes. A curved line for the chest. Two lines for the arm. Now you can make first the fingers, then going down, close on the fist and the thumb. Now let's do some spikes for the hair. Complete the other side. Now we move to the legs. A small tail. The other leg. The shoes, going down, complete two lines, and an extra one. Same for the other foot. the other arm, 2 lines, then the gauntlet, make the thumb, then the shape of the fist, and then you make the fingers. From one point, going lateral and then down. Finally, you can add some Chaos Emeralds. Make an hexagonal shape and connect all the edges to a point. That's the first one. Let's do 3 more. And that's it, we're done! If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and remember, new draw lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!